Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair these Turtle headphones 700 generation second with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, you have to grab the left headphone and you can find some buttons right here. So first of all, you have to click and hold the power button until indicator turns green. Next, we have to release that button and click and hold the Bluetooth button until the indicator starts blinking white. So keep holding. If it is not working, just release and click and hold it one more time. As you can see right now it is blinking white, so release the buttons and simply on your iOS device you have to open the settings, then go to the Bluetooth and click on the Bluetooth in the right upper corner and select 700 Gen2 Max Turtle headphones for Xbox. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and next you can also go to the App Store and you can download this application. So yeah, that's the app that we have to download. So simply you have to click get. In my case, that's also the ID Apple verification. And as you can see, after a few moments the download will be on the way, and we have to basically wait for the download and then simply open the application where you will find some kind of the adjustment, like for example the superhuman hearing, mic monitoring, some kind of the equalizer presets, and also you can set the master volume. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.